Hey, bro. Well, just checking on you, making sure you're still breathing and whatnot. All that good jazz. Yeah. Nah. I'm all set for now. Well. Just to be safe. I got you some medicine, man, for that cold and whatnot.
Oh, bad. Good looking, man. I appreciate it.
Bro, don't even sweat it. You feel me? I got you. Let me show you what I got you, bro. It's all good. Listen. We got some orange juice.
Mm-hmm.
We got some NyQuil. I drank a little bit. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Cool.
We also got that Dayquil. That stuff that tastes like a sad orange. You feel me?
That's true. That's true, man.
And I also got you some toilet paper because we can't afford tissue. Well, it's the same thing. Tissue's toilet paper. I don't care. Oh, bro. We also got you some airborne.
I'm cool, man.
Oh, nah, bro. It's all good. It's all good, man.
Did you always have that mask, man?
Bro, that cough sounded high-key aggressive. You sure everything okay?
Oh my God!
Bro, you suck. I'm sorry.
You suck.
I'm sorry. I didn't. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Tissues.
I love you, man.
That's why we got you
to
the
the hospital.
tissues.
Can we get you to the hospital,
Ow.
please? You gotta drive, but can we
I
take you to
should
the
have
hospital?
took the shot.
I love you.
I should have took
love
the
you,
shot,
bro.
man.
I'm sorry.